Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Star. Thank you so much for joining me. I went to the Dollar Tree this evening, so I have that to show you. It's right here. It's kind of a small haul, but it's some new things are in here as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I got was these. I'll move this bag aside. I saw these as I was just walking past the book aisle, excuse me. And they're the coloring books for, but they're cats, and it immediately caught my attention because you guys know I love animals and we love cats and dogs and everything. So this is a really cute coloring book. It has a lot of different, I like that's a giant one. It's really got a lot of pictures to color. And so I thought this would be great for, I got this for two of my daughters. So it's just really cute, and it's just a jumbo size. I mean, it's like, look how many pages are in there. So yeah, so I picked up two books of those. So for $1 each, wonderful deal. Then I picked up another one of the repeat buys of my paper towels. Then another repeat buy of the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. Bummer that these were not the 30 count. I didn't see any of the bonus pack size, so I just grabbed these for 24 wipes. So yeah, so just $1 for these. I mean, sorry, I know it's $1. Sorry, I don't know why I'm telling you the prices. Obviously, it's $1. Okay, then I picked up this body wash, Oil of Life. So 2-in-1 cleanser plus moisturizer to relieve dry skin. Yeah, and it is got a scent to it. I can't remember what the scent is. I've used this before. Let me see. I'll tell you guys. It doesn't really, you would think from the packaging that it looks like roses, but it doesn't really smell like roses. It just smells like soap, you know. So anyway, a good deal for that. Then I picked up another repeat buy of the LA Totally Awesome Orange, or this isn't the orange one, it's the oxygen based cleaner. I love this stuff. I have used the orange one and then this bottle. They didn't have the orange one. The orange one's a better deal because it's a bigger bottle, but all they had was the blue one, so I went ahead and picked this up. Then I picked up, and why is that wet? That feels wet. Maybe because it was raining outside, because I walked in the rain to my car, so that's probably rain got in my bag. And then I picked up, let's see, wet wipes. They're antibacterial wet wipes. And so picked those up. Then I picked up the chapsticks. I picked up 3, and that is such a good deal for 3 for $1. Because I got these for my kids because, you know, they misplace them. I mean, I even misplaced chapsticks, so not a big deal if we lose them. 3 for $1, really good deal. So yeah, I picked up those. And then I picked up another one as well. So I got 6 total for $2. Such a good deal. So yeah, I really like that. And then, okay, I'm gonna get into the fun stuff in a second. I'm so excited about a couple things in this bag. Then I picked up a repeat buy of the sugar wafers. My oldest daughter loves these, so got her those. Then I picked up another repeat buy of the multi-surface wipes. And yeah, stuff is really kind of feeling wet in here. I don't know why. Anyway, I hope nothing leaked out. Yeah, these are great. I really like these. And 30 wipes for $1. It is such a good deal. I almost like them more than these guys. So anyway, then I picked up, then I picked up the Scrubbing Buddies wet sweeper cloths. Yeah, this bag is like really wet. I must have just got a lot of rain in it. Okay. Wet sweeper cloths refill. There's 20 in there, and sometimes I use this on my, it says Fit Swiffer Sweeper. Sometimes, like, you know, I have this Swiffer Wet Jet, and sometimes I just use this in place of those dry pads, and it's hard to use these with it, but I use them on my actual Swiffer Wet Jet instead of using the formula, because I have the Swiffer Wet Jet with the spray, you know, nozzle where you spray and you use the dry pads, but you know, I got these in case I run out of the Swiffer Wet Jet spray, that in a bind, I would have these, and you know, I can even clean the floor up by myself with just these with my hand. Do you know what I mean? So for $1, it's a really good deal. And you get 20 in there. Then I picked up some more bandages. These are the waterproof ones. I like that they're like see-through. They're like more, like you really can't see that you have them on. That's what I like about them. They're like clear. So yeah, I like these. That's the whole purpose. I don't really care if they're waterproof. I just like that they're clear. So they're like invisible almost. Then we'll get into the fun stuff now. Okay, so I picked up these. These are fabric treat sacks, and there's 4 of them. Look at how darling these are. They're burlap, and I had never seen these before at DT. Never, ever, ever. These are new. They include 4 twine ties, so I'll go ahead and open it for you guys. I picked up 2 of them because I was thinking for like Easter gifts, you know, teacher gifts, or family member gifts, or my kids. I don't know, like they're just really cute, and I just went ahead and grabbed 8 total then, so I am not, you know, short on any if I need them. I'll show you how cute these are. Yeah, everything got wet from the rain. That's what it is, because I was walking to my car. We have had rain all day long. It has not stopped. It has not stopped once today, the rain. We're in California, so we're not used to like a lot of rain. We're used to like a little rain, and then, but it's been like consistent all day. So here's the bags. Look at how cute they are. Look at how cute they are. So, you know, just to put a little trinket in there, like maybe jewelry or candy or anything really. It is so precious. It's so precious. And I love that burlap look, and then you tie it with the string, like the jute string or the twine. And I mean, just really, really cute. I'm so excited about it. It has like the little shape of the ears, like the little bunny ears. So again, this is what it'll look like when it's all tied up. So picked up those. Then I picked up this. This is an Easter garland, and I thought it was so adorable. Oh yeah, look at you guys. Look at how wet it got. Look at the, you're like, okay, Sarah, stop talking about the rain. Sorry. Look at the tag. Look at how wet it got from just walking to my car. I mean, it was pouring buckets. Okay, so this is a garland I bought, and it came in 2 different egg colors. Like they had one with more oranges in it. And I picked this one with the blue, or the pink and the blue. I really like the pink and the blue. And look at how, oh no, some of the glitter's falling off because it got wet. Let's see. It's actually like falling off the eggs. It's like on my desk now. Let's see. I'm gonna show you how this will look. But I thought this was so pretty to put like on my fireplace mantle. Let me see how this looks. What is going on here? Why is this missing? Hold on one second, you guys. I think it slides down. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can adjust it. So you can adjust, these eggs will slide down, but look at how cute it would be like on a mantle, or even behind me would be really cute. I mean, really, really cute for $1. I'm really excited about that. I thought that was a really good deal. So yeah, there's the eggs. You can see they've got like little sparkles on them. They're really cute, really precious. And of course, I'm regretting not buying more now that I'm thinking about it, because these would be cute to string along like a doorway, you know, even, you know, like, you know, anywhere really. So it would be, like I said, a doorway or fireplace, or even like this direction, like that, right? Like you could do anything with these. So anyway, really cute deal for $1. Really cute. I just wish I got glitter all over my hands now. like they say, what is it? I don't sweat. What is it? Sorry, I'm trying to get this joke right. I don't sweat. I glitter. I sweat glitter. How does that go? That saying go? I forget how it goes. I don't sparkle. I don't know. Yeah, anyway. Okay. So yeah, I got glitter all over my table now, but that's fine. I'll just wipe it up later. But now I look like a fairy because I got it all over me. It for my haul for today for the DT. I'm so excited. I love it. What's your favorite thing I got, you guys? What do you think? What's your favorite thing? Comment below if you want. I read all my comments. Sorry, I still have a pinched nerve, so it's like really hard to move my neck. So I'm like still like really, like I woke up this morning and almost could not even move. It was so stiff. So maybe that will be like in my prayer box, because I am like, this has been hurting me a lot, but it's not a joke. I'm not joking about that. Like, it's not fun having a pinched nerve. And like even my whole body was feeling nauseous because, you know, like the pinched nerve. But anyway, I got up and moved around, and that helped a lot. So But yeah, I like to even do this, like to pull my hair back. It's like pulls on my neck right here and it hurts. So yeah, so anyway, sorry, I just like to talk and I hope that you guys don't mind. Yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys are doing well, and I hope that you're having a wonderful, beautiful evening. We are at Tuesday evening, and thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate all your guys' support, and I hope that you're having, like I said, a wonderful night, and I hope you enjoyed my haul, and I love all my Easter stuff, and I'm going to get it. I don't want to wait till April. Isn't Easter in April? Like, I have to wait till April to put this garland up, and but it's okay. I'm getting ready for it. I'm going to be set for Easter, and yeah, I'm ready for Easter. So we'll see you guys soon. Thanks again for watching, and I'll be back real soon with my next haul, okay? Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.